Okay, here we are. We're gonna do a little mystery gift unboxing that my little brother sent me something. I already broke the seal on it. So let's open it up and see what it is. It's from Gamer Nostalgia. Yeah, that's what it's from. I'll put the link down below to this place. It's a pretty cool postcard. It's heavy too. Whatever. Oh, this is what. No way. All right. I've always wanted one of these little diorama things. And this one is the OG itself, the Legend of Zelda, where you get the wooden sword. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Oh man. Now that is cool. Yep. I like it. It is pretty spiffy. Yeah, I've always wanted one of these. It's pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. Thanks to my little brother. Surprised me with this. Damn, that's cool. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna put a link down to the website where you got this, and y'all have a good day. Have a good weekend. Alright? That's it. That's it.